everyone, my dear student. Today we are going to read about Madam Rides the Bus of Class 10 First Flight. My dear student, what comes to your mind when I say Madam Rides the Bus? If we split each word, we will get the exact meaning of this Madam Rides the Bus. That means there is a character here who is the madam in the story and she is riding what? The bus. So here we will see about the exact story or the hidden meaning to it. So who is the writer here? You can see the name. I know it's very difficult to pronounce. So you will pronounce it with me. That is Valik. Valik Kanan. Right? Valik Kanan. So don't you think from the name itself you can feel like it's a South Indian character or the writer? Yes, it's a Tamilian writer, critic, journalist. And here this writer wants to, or we can say depicts a curiosity to the nature of children. Okay, so here we will see who is the protagonist here, what is the name and why it is written or why the topic is chosen like Madam Rides the Bus. So you can look at the board here. It is, in short, you can see here, she is a sensitive girl and her age is, or we can say the main protagonist is a little girl whose age is 8-year-old and who want to know the outside world out of his village, and she has a curiosity or she has a liking, we can say, or she wants to ride through the bus. So here we will see in this story what exactly is happening to this sensitive girl and what happened to her, that we will see at the end the mystery of life and death. Right? So you can see here it's a sensitive story and she is an 8-year-old protagonist whose name is Vali. Right? It's again a Tamilian name. Now, the first journey into the world outside the village. So she is always curious to see the bus and wants to know the outside world out of his village, and she always tries to stand near the fans and observe all the bus which is passing by. Now let us see exactly what the story talks about. Okay, now let us move and see the story. What is it all about? The sensitive story of a Tamil girl, Valley, who is only 8 years old. She was curious to know about the outside world. Also, she did not have friends to play. So she kept standing inside the doorway of her residence and watch people in the street. This was her favorite pastime. However, she was also mesmerized by the bus journey, and there travelled a bus between her village and the closet city. She started collecting information about the timings of the bus from her neighbor. The bus travels to the town near her village, which was approximately 6 miles from her village, and the fare was 30 paise for one way. So Valley started saving money for the bus fare. She planned to travel in the afternoon when her mother was having her nap. Vali was standing on the roadside waiting for the bus. As the bus came, she told the conductor she wants to go to the town. The conductor was a jovial person. He called her madam and showed her the sheet. The bus was new and painted in green and white color strips. The bus was comfortable and seats were luxurious. On her journey, she enjoyed watching mountains, green fields and palm trees, grassland. She was experiencing it all for the first time by her own eyes. On her way to the town, she saw a young cow that came in front of the bus while crossing the road. The driver blew the whistle and the cow crossed by. All this is very fascinating for Vali. It was like a dream come true for her. She was watching everything, but the outside landscape was her prime focus,
And after some time, the bus reached the final destination and all the passengers got down. The conductor asked her to get down, but she told that she was there for the bus ride, and the conductor smiled, listening to her reply. Vali remained on the bus and had taken a written ticket from the conductor. The bus started on her way back home, and she saw the same cow dead by the roadside. This made her heart cry, and she thus became sad and tried to understand the meaning of life and death in her own terms. And she came back home but did not share a word about the journey with her family. In conclusion, we can say that the story illustrates the desire of a small girl and how a bad incident makes her understand the matters of life and death. Now let us see a quick revision to this story. This story is all about an 8-year girl named Vali or Valiam Mai. She was very curious to know about things, and her favorite pastime was to stand at the front doorway at her house and see what was happening in the street outside. She would watch the bus that passed every half an hour from her village to the nearest town, and she developed a desire to ride the bus, and this became her deepest desire. Vali found out the details of the bus journey by listening carefully to the conversation between her neighbors and regular bus users. She came to know that the town was just 6 miles from her village and the fare was 30 paisa one way, and the trip took 45 minutes. Vali planned her visit to the town and she saved 60 paisa for the fare, and finally she took the 1 o'clock bus to the town. The conductor was a jolly sort of person and he amused Vali with her light-hearted remarks, and he calls her madam by the way of joke. Vali was very happy to have got into the bus and she was outside through the window. She could see the canal, the palm trees, grassland, distant mountains and the blue sky. She met some passengers in the bus and she got annoyed when an elderly man called her a child. She disliked the elderly woman for her shabby look and didn't prefer to talk to her. And on the way to the town, Vali saw a frightened cow running right in front of the bus and she clapped gleefully as the cow ran faster. Vali did not get off the bus at the town and she did not want to go to the stall and have a drink because she had no money. And she also declined the offer of a cold drink by the conductor, and it tells you that she is a self-respecting girl and can overcome temptations. On the return journey, she saw the same cow lying dead by the roadside, and this unpleasant sight made her very sad. She's a sensitive girl, and the bus reached the village at 3:40 and she got down the bus and reached her home. Her mother did not come to know about her journey.
Isn't it a beautiful story, my dear student? Yes, it's a beautiful story. The writer really told it's a sensitive story. Don't you think it's a sensitive story? Yes. Have you come across such an accident, like when you see a dead cow lying beside on the road? Yes, I have come across such kind of accident. Okay, so while moving from one place to the other, while giving exam, while returning my bus, I met an accident, and that to be in order to save the cow, that means my 2 of the colleague, we all 3 met an accident, and luckily we were safe. Now see this girl who is curious and she's trying to peep outside through the window and she's trying to observe the scenery, and here the name madam is given by the conductor, right? So it's a beautiful story, my dear students. So it's divided into 4 parts. I want each of you to go back, turn your pages and read it all by yourself. Try to comprehend it by yourself, my dear student. So this is a lovely story. I came up with a synopsis and I want each of you to go back and turn your pages and read it. If you have any queries, comments, do comment on my chat box. Till then,